Hi everyone, hope all are doing great. Let's start. Introduction to Node.js. Node.js is an open source server environment. Node.js allows you to run JavaScript on the server. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript on the server. Download Node.js. To download Node.js, go to the Node.js official website, https://nodejs.org. To download Node.js, go to the Node.js official website. Okay. I've already downloaded in the system. Let us check here. Node.js official website. I'll copy this. Control C, then Control V. See, for Windows, you need to click here. Just click here. The file get downloaded. To check whether the file is available in your system or not, Node.js file, go to the command prompt cmd. Here what you need to do means node space -v. It will specify the node version. See, node v12.18.0 is the node version, Node.js version present in my system. Okay, you can check like this. Then JavaScript code runs on browsers. Every browser contains JavaScript engine to execute JavaScript code. Okay, JavaScript code can be run on browsers. Every browser contains JavaScript engine to execute JavaScript. In 2009, Rayon, an engineer, took an open source JavaScript engine from Chrome and embedded it inside a C++ program. Okay, one of the scientists by the name Rayon in 2009. He took the open source JavaScript engine in Chrome and embedded it inside a C++ program, and he called it as Node. Node is a C++ program that includes Google's V8 JavaScript engine, version 8 JavaScript engine. Okay, every browser contains the JavaScript engine inbuilt. Let us check. Just right click, go to inspect option. Here console, whatever you want you can do. It is a JavaScript engine. If I want to do addition, I can do it. Press enter. 25 plus 30, 55. Okay, 55 minus 10, 45. Okay, 25 into 25, 625. Okay, you can perform anything, addition, arithmetic operations. If you want to display anything, console.log. Hello world. It is optional to add semicolon. Hello world will be displayed. You can display alert message also. Alert. Welcome to JavaScript. Okay. Add a semicolon here. An alert box will be displayed. See, welcome to JavaScript. If we click on OK, it will disappear. Okay. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open source server environment. Node.js is free. Node.js runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, OS, etc. Node.js uses JavaScript on the server side. Okay. What does Node.js do? It uses JavaScript on the server side. What can Node.js do? Node.js can generate dynamic page content. Node.js can generate dynamic page content. Node.js can create open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. Node.js can create, open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. Node.js can collect form data. Okay, it can collect form data. Node.js can add, delete, modify data in your database. Okay, Node.js can add, delete, modify data in database. Hope you understood this concept, friends. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.